So Yayasan Chow Kit, it was founded in year 2006 by Datuk Dr. Hartini Zainuddin. If you come to Chow Kit, you will never see any playgrounds. There's no like daycare centers and all that. So that's why she had this idea of initiating a children's center so that the children are supervised by healthy adults and they are nurtured. And that's where we launched the first center, which we are here right now, Pusat Activity Kanak-Kanak. So the numbers started growing from 20 and then we started getting almost like 100 children coming in. And then we realized that it was very hard to manage every child in one center because of the age difference and the needs difference and all. So that's where with the partnership of Ministry of Women, we launched KL Crash Pad. And now we have two centers lah. So one is Pusat Activity, which is 7 to 12, and then we have KL Crash Pad, which is 13 to 18 years old.
Moving into the highlight of today's itinerary, we are proud to officially kick off our sponsorship document signing ceremony. To formalize this meaningful partnership, we would like to invite the representative from our beneficiary organization, the founder of Yayasan Chow Kit, Dr. Hartini Zainuddin, and the country manager of Atomy Malaysia, Ms. Anna Kim, to join us on the stage.
And to complete the signing ceremony, we have CEO of Yayasan Chow Kit, Mr. Ananti Rajasingham, together with Atomy PR manager, Mr. Haizam Yahya, up to the stage.
Our VIP, please open the document. And Atomy Malaysia contribution of 150,000 ringgit is to reflect the dedication of supporting vulnerable and underprivileged children, particularly those within the Kuala Lumpur area, by helping to enhance their well-being and provide access to the care, support and opportunities that they deserve.
Now, both from the Atomy Malaysia, Ms. Anna, and founder of the Yayasan Chow Kit, Dr. Hartini Zainuddin, may sign and exchange, marking a significant milestone in our shared commitment to community service.
Atomy Malaysia is truly honored to contribute to this noble cause. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a resounding round of applause as we capture this wonderful moment during the photo session. Another round of applause, everybody. Thank you very much, Ms. Anna Kim. Ms. Ananti Rajasingham, please take your seats. We would love to invite the founder of Yayasan Chow Kit, Dr. Hartini Zainuddin, to share a few words with us. Please give her a big round of applause.
Oh my goodness. It's such an honor to be here this afternoon. I swear to God, I think half my colleagues are actually members of Atomy. Not me yet, but I'm looking at all the energy in this room and I'm going, I need to sign up. But so thank you. So good afternoon to the leadership management team and the entire Atomy Malaysia family. There is a quote, I love quotes, and I have this one I think I chose for this occasion. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. And it's by Helen Keller. And it's a simple truth. But the children, to the children of Chow Kit, it is everything. So I thank you all. When we speak of the children of Chow Kit, we are speaking of children navigating some of the most difficult terrain. Children without safe homes, children without families, children without documents, children who have no easy access to school. Children growing up with burdens that no child should carry. And yet they are still children. Curious, resilient, full of possibility. They deserve to be seen, and they deserve to be held, and they deserve to be loved. The work of Yayasan Chow Kit is to be that holding space. When I founded the institution years ago, in fact, we're going to be 20 years next year, it was to give children that space, that sanctuary, a place where they felt protected and accepted and genuinely cared for, and to say to each of them, you are not forgotten and you are not alone. But we know that the work that we do is not ours alone to carry. And that's why this partnership with Atomy Malaysia means so much to us, because it is real impact, I think, that you do for the company, but I think there's a lot that you can share with us as well, and we can learn from you. When we took the time to understand Atomy's values, and I'm looking around at all of you going, I want to be part of this, we were moved by what we found. Atomy's culture of sharing is not simply about giving, but is about growing and growing together and lifting others up as you rise and using success as a force for good in the world. And this is a philosophy I think we do not just admire, but it is one we live by too. And it's also the fact that I think that all of you today, whether you like it or not, will be role models for the children that we work with and serve. Whether you do with it, this energy and this values is what we've been looking for, and we'd like to, if it's okay with you, to share that with us as well. At Yayasan Chow Kit, we believe that when we are blessed with more, we are called to share more. And that compassion is only made real through action, and that no one, no child, no family should be left behind. In Atomy Malaysia, we found a partner who believes the same things as we do. And what makes a true partnership is not just shared resources, it is shared values. It is looking at each other and recognizing the same heart. We both believe that care can change lives. We both believe that a better community is built when more people choose to show up and to share and to support and to take action. And we both believe that success is most meaningful when it is offered to service of others. Through this collaboration, we hope to walk alongside Atomy Malaysia, not for a single occasion, but for the long journey ahead. Together, we envision programs in hygiene and healthcare that may seem modest in scope, but are profound in impact. Good hygiene gives a child better health gives them confidence, and confidence gives them the courage to grow, to learn, and to step into the world with dignity. To the children of Chow Kit, your contribution is not abstract. It is one warm meal, one safe place, one place to rest, one chance to open a book, one moment, sometimes for a very long time, where a child feels that someone out there genuinely cares about them. These moments matter more than we can measure. On behalf of Yayasan Chow Kit, and I mean this sincerely, I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you to Atomy Malaysia, to the management team, to every leader and every Atomian here today. Thank you for your generosity. Thank you for your belief that business and compassion are not opposites. Thank you for providing and proving that when success is shared, it multiplies. So thank you very much.
Next, it is our pleasure to invite a representative from Atomy Malaysia to deliver a short speech. Please welcome PR Manager Mr. Haizam Yahya to the stage.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera kepada semua Atomian yang saya hormati dan kasihi sekalian. Hari ini kita berkumpul bukan sekadar untuk kita meraihkan sebuah program CSR, tapi untuk mengingatkan diri kita tentang satu perkara penting, bahawa kejayaan sebenar bukan hanya tentang apa yang kita capai untuk diri kita sendiri, tapi tentang bagaimana kejayaan itu memberi makna kepada kehidupan orang lain. Jadi di Atomy Malaysia, kita percaya bahawa sesebuah syarikat yang betul-betul berjaya perlu dibina atas nilai dan prinsip yang kukuh. Kerana apabila asasnya betul, arah tuju syarikat juga akan sentiasa betul. Oleh itu, budaya Atomy yang dipandu oleh 3 nilai utama yang menjadi nadi kepada setiap tindakan dan keputusan syarikat, iaitu pertamanya observing principles. Bagi Atomy, kejayaan tidak boleh dibina hanya atas keuntungan semata-mata. Ia perlu datang bersama integriti, kejujuran dan tanggungjawab bersama. Jadi kami percaya bahawa perniagaan ini perlu dilakukan dengan cara yang betul, mengikut prinsip, etika dan nilai kemanusiaan. Kerana apabila sesebuah organisasi ini dibina atas prinsip yang betul, Ia bukan sahaja jadi satu syarikat yang berjaya, tetapi satu syarikat yang boleh dipercayai. Yang kedua adalah growing together, berkembang bersama. Ia menggambarkan satu ekosistem pertumbuhan bersama di mana perniagaan, komuniti dan masyarakat berkembang seiring, bukan secara berasingan. Dan atas semangat inilah yang bawa Atomy untuk terus mendekati masyarakat melalui pelbagai inisiatif CSR. Dan setakat ini, Atomy Malaysia telah melakukan 81 aktiviti CSR dengan nilai 7.5 juta sejak penubuhan tahun 2016. Yang terakhir adalah berkongsi. Namun bagi saya nilai yang paling memberi makna kepada semua ini adalah semangat kita untuk berkongsi. Kerana kita percaya apa yang kita miliki pada hari ini bukan hanya untuk diri sendiri, tetapi ada rezeki kita yang perlu dikongsikan, ada harapan yang kita perlu sampaikan, dan ada kehidupan yang boleh berubah hanya dengan satu bentuk kepedulian. Kadang-kadang bantuan yang kecil bagi kita boleh jadi satu harapan yang sangat besar bagi seseorang. Hadirin sekalian, di luar sana realitinya tidaklah mudah yang kita lihat hari ini. Ada anak yang tidur tanpa rasa selamat, ada keluarga yang terpaksa memilih makanan atau tempat berteduh, ada ibu yang menangis dalam diam kerana esok kita tak pasti apa yang jadi. Dan dekat sinilah Atomy memilih untuk tidak sekadar menjadi syarikat perniagaan, tetapi menjadi sebahagian daripada jawapan kepada kesusahan itu. Kerana Atomy percaya bahawa kejayaan sebuah syarikat hanya benar-benar bermakna apabila ia mampu memberi 1000 manfaat kembali kepada masyarakat. Dan mungkin ramai yang tak sedar, bila kita pilih Atomy, bila kita sokong Atomy, kita sebenarnya jadi sebahagian daripada perubahan itu. Mungkin secara tak langsung, tapi lebih bermakna. Dan mungkin ada satu tempat nanti, ada seseorang yang masih tersenyum hari ini kerana wujudnya insan-insan seperti anda di depan saya ini untuk memilih terus peduli. Hari ini juga kerjasama di antara Atomy Malaysia dan Yayasan Chow Kit bawa satu makna yang besar. Kerana Yayasan Chow Kit ini bukan sekadar membantu dari jauh. Mereka ini berada di lapangan, melihat, mendengar dan hidup bersama realiti sebenar kanak-kanak yang terpinggir. Dan melalui kerjasama ini, Atomy bukan hanya datang untuk memberi, tetapi untuk memahami, untuk hadir dan dengar dan belajar apa itu nilai kemanusiaan yang sebenar. Dan ini bukanlah kerjasama sementara. Satu komitmen jangka panjang, saya ulang, kerjasama dan komitmen jangka panjang melalui program outreach, pengedaran produk dan keperluan pendidikan bagi kesedaran kesihatan dan melalui penlibatan sukarelawan Atomy itu sendiri. Dan habis kan? Okey, hadirin yang saya hormati, kadang-kadang kita bertanya, apa makna sebenar kejayaan? Cuba kita diam sekejap, kita fikir, apa makna sebenar kejayaan? Adakah makna sebenar kejayaan ini ada pada wang? Adakah ianya ada pada pangkat? Atau adakah apa yang ada kita miliki sekarang? Hari ini saya percaya kejayaan sebenar apabila kehadiran kita mampu menjadikan kehidupan orang lain lebih baik. Kerana pada akhirnya manusia tidak akan ingat apa yang dia miliki, tetapi mereka akan sentiasa ingat bagaimana kita buat mereka rasa dihargai dan dibantu di waktu mereka memerlukan. Akhir kata, terima kasih kepada semua keluarga Atomy Malaysia yang saya kasih dan sayangi di sini, kerana anda bukan sekadar membina kerajaan untuk diri sendiri, tetapi untuk membina harapan untuk orang lain. Jadi itu saja daripada saya, Haizam Yahya. Sekian, terima kasih.